Yes, primary praise. I want to take this opportunity once again to welcome you to our 4th week of e-learning at our school. Hope you're doing well. Okay, let us go back to where we stopped the other week, and we were talking about social services. Do you still remember? In Literacy 1B where we stopped, we learned about social services. And I told you what social services are. Do you still remember what social services are? What are social services? Social services are services provided by the government or non-governmental organizations to people in order to live a better life. Can you also repeat wherever you are? Social services are services provided by the government or non-governmental organizations to people in order to live a better life. Then we went on and talked about examples of social services. We talked of health services, communication services, banking services, security services, and so on and so on. Then I remember telling you that we shall be talking about each social services every day. So today we are going to talk about communication services. Now here they are saying communication is the sending and receiving of messages. Communication is the sending and receiving of messages. So your area of interest, you should know how to write the word sending and then receiving. You can know how to do it, to say it verbally, but if you don't know how to write, you can fail. Are we together? So you should know how to write it, sending, receiving, then messages. Children, are you there? Communication is the sending and receiving of messages. Then now we have what we call types of communication. We have what we call local means of communication and modern means of communication. When they say local means of communication, we have drumming, clapping. You can do like this. You're still communicating. You clap, you're calling somebody. That is still what? Communication. Whistling. You normally see some people whistling. Somebody can use, then he whistles and calls that person back. Or blowing horn. Still will be when you are communicating, but it is under local means of communication. Local means of communication. Are we together, children? Then we have also what we call modern means of communication, the ones we use nowadays. Do you still clap? Do you still whistle when you're calling somebody? No. Nowadays we use telephones. We use it. Telephones. Just use your phone. You call. Hello, this and this. You call somebody whom you want. Then we have televisions. Still televisions are also used. We use nowadays televisions for communication. Radios, newspapers. You normally see daddy, mommy buying what? Newspapers. They buy those newspapers because they want to get something which they have communicated in those newspapers. Are we together? We have internet. Still people use internet for communication. So here when they tell you what is communication, simply say communication is the sending and receiving of messages. You can either send messages or information. Then when they say types of communication, mention we have local means of communication, modern means of communication. When they say mention 3 examples of local means of communication, talk of drumming, clapping, whistling, blowing horns, all those ones are local means. I get it. But nowadays we have modern means of communication, like how we are using right now. Phone is even a younger child of 10 years has a phone, can use a phone for communication, television, radios, newspapers, and then internet. Are we there, children? So I'm going to put for you on your hard copy, I'm going to write it. Activity about communication. Make sure you write using the best of your handwriting and attempt all numbers. Underline your answers like that and make sure you write with good handwriting. Thank you very much. See you.